Today I'm going to show you how to configure your settings on Windows. So the first thing we're going to show you is brightness. If you don't have brightness settings on your computer, this is what you want to do. First of all, press Start, go to Settings. Now what you want to do here is find System and click on it. Now there should be a slider here. I'm going to put a screenshot up, but since I have buttons on my monitor, it does not show up. So the slider would appear here, and then over there you can slide it to make it brighter or darker. Now I'm going to show you how to find the resolution of your monitor. So what you want to do is find any blank area on your desktop and then right click. Now over here you'll see display settings and you want to click that. Now all you have to do is scroll down until you find display resolution. Now put this drop down. The highlighted thing is your current resolution. As you can see, mine is 1024 by 768. But if I wanted to make it bigger, I can find bigger resolution. Now press keep changes to keep changes. I don't want to keep changes, so I'm going to press revert. And it'll change back to my regular resolution. Now I'm going to show you how you can change your wallpaper on your desktop, Windows. So what you want to do first is you want to click Windows and go to Settings. Afterwards, you'll see Personalization, and you want to click on it. Now you will have many options for a background. You can press Browse to find a file that you'd like to be as your background. However, I'm not going to click Browse Files because I have some sensitive files with personal information. And then I want to change it to this. I click on it, and then you can see it's changed. Oh, I accidentally clicked on it twice, sorry. I click on this, and it'll change my desktop to that. If I want to revert it back, I'll click on this, and it will change back to my original desktop wallpaper. So I'm going to show you how to make a screensaver and configure the screensaver settings now on a Windows desktop. So first what you want to do is go to the Windows again, and then go to Settings. Now, I want to go back to Personalization, over here, and then on the left, look for Lock Screen. Now, at the bottom, you will see Screen Timeout Settings. You want to click on this. And as you can see, you will have some screensaver options. You can turn off after a specific amount of time, and when you want your computer to sleep after a specific amount of inactivity. I'm going to show you how to change this screensaver yourself. Settings, go to Personalization, and go to Lock Screen. But this time, you want to go to Screensaver Settings. Now over here, you can configure a screensaver. Click the drop down here, and you can change your screensaver to something specific. Like, you can have this rotating Windows 10 thing. You can have bubbles. You can have ribbons. Now, over here you'll see you can wait how many minutes for it to display the logon screen. Now press apply to save these changes. Okay, I'm going to show you now how to change your lock screen password, or your PIN. Now you want to go to Windows, then click on Settings. Now you want to find Accounts. Click on that, and then on the left, find Sign In Options. Now find Windows Hello PIN. This will be your PIN password. Now you want to go here and click Add. I'll just do it here. This is where we're going to make your PIN. So enter a PIN, and then write the exact same PIN in the next one to confirm it. You can include letters and symbols if you'd like to, but I'm just going to keep it simple and use only numbers. Now after you decided on a PIN, you want to press OK. Now we wait, and now you have a PIN set up on your Windows desktop. Now every time you go to Windows, here in Lock, you have to re-enter the pin that you just entered. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to find your display adapter type. So what you want to do here is you want to click on Windows, and then click on Settings. And afterwards, you want to find System and click on it. What you want to do after this is you want to scroll all the way down, and then you'll see Advanced Display Settings. What you want to do here is click on this, and then over here you will see all the display adapter information. You can see here I have an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660, and then it will show settings like my desktop resolution, my refresh rate, my active signal resolution, my bit depth, color format, and color space. And over here you can press display adapter properties, and it will give me more information. Memory types, like BIOS information, adapter string, DC type, and chip type. Now I'm going to show you how to configure your screen orientation. First step you want to do is you want to press Windows in the bottom left, and then click on Settings. Afterward, find System, click on it, and scroll down until you see Display Orientation. Now my screen recorder doesn't really register it going upside down and such, it will bring it back right side up, so I'm going to show you pictures. You see there are three options. This is what portrait looks like, and after you press it, it will show you keep changes or revert. Now if you revert it, it will change back to what you had it before, but if you keep changes, it will keep it the way it is. And then this is what portrait looks like. This is what landscape flipped looks like. And this is what portrait flipped looks like. As you can see, it's just a flipped version of portrait.